Hi there, I'm Shar. It is May 7th, 2020. We are about to witness a supermoon, the May Supermoon, the last supermoon of 2020. But first, I wanted to show you Jupiter. Yes, this is Jupiter above my trees, right across from the moon. Let's take a quick peek in here. Have a little looky-loo. Get in nice and close. Yeah, that's pretty fantastic, hey? Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoot. Alright, there's Jupiter. Let's go find the moon. There it is. Oh, she's looking so good. Let's have a look. Bye, Jupiter. There it is, regular strength, right in my night sky. How beautiful is that? All right, let's find this moon. Turny, turny, turn. Ready? Over here, yonder, down the tracks. Where are we at here, lovely? Do you see it? Let's get it in a good frame. And zoom in. Oops, do you see it? Oh my goodness, it's so orange and so bright. Come on, focus, little camera. There we go, thank you. How wonderful is that to look at? The full flower moon, the full corn moon, it's the time to plant the corn. The time where flowers start to grow. It's the time where spring is springing. It's like halfway between spring right now, spring and summer here. Beautiful time to start banishing. Banish, banish, banish on the full moon. I release the things that no longer serve me. I release these feelings that no longer serve me. I release this doubt that no longer serves me. I fill myself with the light of the moon and beautiful blue moon and supermoon glory and all this power and energy that it gives us, how it reminds us of our cycles. I'm grateful. I banish these feelings of anxiety. I banish these feelings of jealousy. I banish these feelings of doubt. I banish feelings of worry. I banish these feelings of grief, and I fill myself with the light of the moon. Oh, a beautiful white light, full of energy. Friendly reminder to get your tarot cards out, charge your crystals under this beautiful full moon. And really, there's 3 days to the full moon. The peak, the coming into it, and the going down. So there's no worries to be had. Ooh. All right, taking this energy, beautiful full moon. Those are things that I like to do. I'm really happy I was able to share Jupiter with you tonight. All right. There we go, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here, banishing on this big full moon. Always an experience when we hang out together. Please take this energy of the supermoon and use it however you need to. Click one of these boxes, find out some more information. Have some fun with it. All right, you guys, I'm Shar, and thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time on the channel. Bye-bye.